Hi, I'm David Cantor with the law offices of David Michael Cantor. Today I'm going to talk about second offense regular DUI penalties. What is a second offense regular DUI? That's any DUI that is a .149 blood alcohol or less, or DUI drugs, in which you have a prior DUI conviction in the previous 7 years. One prior, that is. Now, if you are convicted of a second offense regular DUI, the following fines and fees are the mandatory minimum. First of all, there's 90 days jail, of which 60 days can be suspended, meaning you don't have to do them if you do a substance abuse screening and counseling. Now, the jail cost for the 30 days you do have to do runs $2,500. The screening is $50. The classes will be 36 hours of classes, and that's $585. The fine and surcharges are $3,500. You lose your license for 1 year, it'll be suspended. And then the year following you getting your license back, you have to put on an ignition interlock device under your steering wheel. That's a breath testing device that you have to blow into every time you start your car and operate it. That runs $1,000 to $1,200 a year. You'll have to do 30 hours of community service minimum. You'll need an SR-22. That's an insurance document, a watchdog provision, in which the insurance company reports you to DMV the minute your insurance lapses, and they charge you $1,500 over the span of 3 years for that privilege. And lastly, your insurance will go up $3,000 a year higher than it is now for the next 3 years. So, without the insurance component, you are going to pay $9,335 just for a second offense DUI, plus 30 days in jail, classes, and community service. If you add your vehicle into that, it's another $9,000, so about $18,000. These are very serious charges. They can affect your job if you're a doctor, a nurse, a lawyer, a pilot, if you hold a public position, if your job finds out about it and they decide you have to do some driving, they could terminate you for DUI. So it's very important that you contact a lawyer who knows what they're doing. Now, if you call us, if this applies to you, a family member or a loved one, we have a 24-hour answering service, 24-hour pager, or you can go to our website, dmcantor.com, and set up a free initial consultation in our office. Lastly, if you look at our victories section on our website, you'll see that we've handled thousands of these. We've been very successful at knocking these out completely or knocking a first offense or second offense down to a first offense. Why is that a big deal? Well, instead of $9,000 in costs, it drops to $4,000, and instead of 30 days in jail, it becomes 1 day in jail. So even if we may not be able to beat this charge, sometimes there's a flaw in your prior conviction and we can beat that. But contact us if this applies to you or a loved one.